Hey, so this is just a quick video on how I refresh my hair. I'm Chica, and normally I just use rose water and a mix of oils to refresh my hair. I buy my rose water from a supermarket near my house. I think it's about 500 or 600 for 190 ml. You can find this in the Braids, Ehirim-Nmor, or any relatively big supermarket that you have in your area. And I normally transfer it to a travel size spray bottle and I'm using it up. And in between the lines, I just spray it in and I lift it up and just spray it in. Lift and spray, lift and spray. And all of that. And then inside here, I normally use Mega Growth oil. They have this oil for hair. It's not particularly for natural hair, but it has a really lovely smell. I got this pump from a Profectiv product that I bought last year, and I thought it was super amazing because when it has a great nozzle, and then I just after I transfer the oil from the plastic bottle, I just again lift my braids and then pump it directly on my scalp, and it's really straight to the point. It doesn't make the application messy, and it's easy for you to do this in just a couple of minutes. You don't have to do it around the hair, or you can just put it on your palm and then rub it on your braids. That way the smell travels. And personally, I don't know anyone who uses this oil that would say that the smell isn't nice. It might be a bit strong for some people, but it's super nice. I just think it's like super great and super easy. And doing these two things is super easy if you've had your braids in for about, say, 3-4 weeks and you're not ready to take it out. Maybe it still looks great. In order to not smell musty, you might want to just get some rose water, get some Mega Growth oils. I'm sure there are some other oils that people may like. Just make sure that it's in a travel size bottle, because then it makes the application less messy and very quick to do. Alright then, bye.